What's up guys, this is Kensuke from KensukeArt.com, author and illustrator for Manga for Dummies and figure drawing for Dummies. I'm here to talk about a problem that I had with one of my artwork. I was trying to resample something that was a line artwork that was smaller into something that was larger. And like everybody knows, it always doesn't end well. So here's what I did, check it out.
Here I have my character called the Veteran, for lack of better creativity here. He's going to be featured in the Manga for Dummies edition 2 coming up in January of 2025 in your bookstores. Definitely go tell your friends about it. In this case, my dilemma is this: I had created the outline of this work and I forgot to create a high enough resolution. So I don't know if you can notice here, guys. If I zoom in, I scaled up my line artwork and I totally forgot to create it in the proper resolution, 300 dpi at least. And you can see how the line resolution looks pretty poor. I've already done the color artwork and I don't want to redraw this whole thing again. And unfortunately, Clip Studio Paint does not have a resampling function as of right now. Now, there is a new program which I did end up getting, and it is called Affinity Photo 2. It has been getting a lot of press right now because it's a great Photoshop alternative for those who, like myself, don't want to be tied down to subscription rate. It has what is called a resampling tool, and what I'm going to do in front of you guys is I'm going to go ahead and use Affinity Photo 2 to resample this image, this low resolution line art, to at least 300 dpi. And I'm going to use that to superimpose that over the color work that I spent time on working on doing this morning. So without any further delay, let's get cracking on this, guys. And don't forget, Manga for Dummies edition number 2 coming your way in January of 2025. So here I have Affinity Photo 2 open. So what you do is you go up to here, hit document, real easy guys, resize document. You make sure you want to hit 300 dpi, which is a print size. Make sure this resample box is checked. And I'm going to resample this to, I can't do pixels, so I'm going to refer to. So you can see 5 inches is way, way, way too small. I'm going to need at least 8. Hit 8, make sure this box's link is clicked. Hit the tab, and you can see it's already been adjusted to make sure it's a fixed ratio. Let's do 10 just to be sure. That's just to be sure. All right, let's see if it does it. All I gotta do is hit resize, and that's it. You're done. All done. And you see it's done a pretty darn good job as opposed to just scaling the artwork from its original low resolution quality. Now, if you guys had the previous Affinity Photo 1, your resample section is going to be in the select option right here. And it should say layer resize. Affinity Photo 2, you're going to hit it under document. It's going to be right there. With Affinity Photo, you're going to have to specify saving as a certain file. You just can't save as, otherwise it's going to save as to proprietary extension, which I don't know why they do that. So you're going to have to hit export. Export will allow you to bring the PNG, JPEG, TIFF, yada, yada, yada. Then that's kind of what you really want. I'm going to hit PNG. So that's it, guys. So a little bit of experimentation here using Affinity Pro 2. If you have any questions, in the comments below. And as always, keep drawing. In Christ's peace. Bye.